equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools will help you safely open your device without causing damage. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 5 completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the replacement process. Once it's off, place the device screen down on a soft, clean surface to prevent scratches. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Position the suction cup near the edge of the screen, pulling up while using the spudger to carefully pry open the gap. Take your time with this step. It's important to avoid cracking the screen. Once you've created a small opening, insert the spudger into the gap and slide it around the edges to release the clips holding the screen in place. Be cautious as you work your way around, ensuring you don't damage any internal components. After successfully removing the screen, you'll see the internal components of your Surface Pro 5. Locate the battery, which is typically secured with screws. Use your Torx T5 screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be careful not to pull on any wires or connectors. If you find the battery is stuck, you can use the spudger to carefully pry it loose. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it with the connectors and gently press it into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the battery. Before reassembling the device, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your Surface Pro 5. Once everything is clean and the new battery is secured, it's time to reattach the screen. Carefully align it with the base and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before committing to any repairs. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 5 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, so you'll always know what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Surface Pro 5. Enjoy your device with its new battery, and remember, if you need help, we are just a call away. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.